Yeah, I just want to make a quick video on a free tire black, okay? Just get yourself some used engine oil. And you got to put 2 or 3 coats. Takes a couple days. Alright, so this one's getting its 3rd coat. You know, just keep doing it until it quits absorbing it. It's free. You can use it on, I use it instead of WD-40 also. It's free and cheap, and then you can clean it up with rubbing alcohol later. There's a free welding machine out of a scrap bin. And we'll start doing some welding with it soon. Make some videos of it. That's it for now, man. Oh, here's 1 coat. So, looks better than it did. Never even bought a can of this stuff. Probably works good, I don't know.